Hey guys, John, Vaporonic Technologies. We are looking at 5 scratch and dent cabinets. They're blemished some way, shape, form, or fashion or another, but we are going to be running a test in these cabinets. Probably only put 30 minutes to an hour tops on each machine, and then we're going to be sending them out as scratch and dents when you guys purchase these. So I'm not sure if you have seen this posted yet. Probably not. We just had these finished up on Friday, but we're going to be running this test and you guys will be able to take one of 5 home. So if you want to put your name on one of these cabinets, let the sales team know. Give them a call today or shoot them an email because they will go quick. But these are 5 cabinets. Again, they're blemished some way, shape, form, or fashion, but they still work very well, and they are weekend warriors. So let the sales team know if you want one. Thanks.